Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm back today with a fast food recipe. You know, earlier today, Jay was talking about he wanted to get some McDonald's. And I said, you got some McDonald's money? He said no, because last time I checked, it was $25 or more for two people to eat at McDonald's. Really? And then I thought, wait a minute, I can make McDonald's at home, and I can show you how you can too. Okay? Now look, I've got a pound of ground beef right here. Okay? Now, I've chopped up a little bit so I can put in, because I got some Worcestershire sauce, just a couple squirts of it. Okay? To get that good beef taste. Then you use the seasoning of your choice. I've got a salt-free seasoning here with garlic and pepper and whatnot. So I'm going to put some of that in. Okay? Now, I'm going to mix this meat up so that all these flavors are incorporated into the meat. And Miss Tilly, thank you so much for that wonderful support you've shown the channel. And June, Victoria, all of you that have supported us, we really thank you. We really do. And I want to support you back by showing you how to do this. Now, I'm going to set this meat aside so this can absorb those flavors. For my French fries, now this is how you do this. It's real important. Get you a potato. I'm leaving the skins on just because I can do that. I'm chopping them up. Not real thick, but not too thin. And I'm putting them on a paper towel. Now I do have a French fry cutter, but I'm doing this just to show you, for those of you who don't have a French fry cutter, that you can do this. I'm just using one potato. Mind you, one potato. So what is that? 39 cents? Shows you how much you get in an order of McDonald's French fries. A small order, you're really not even getting one whole potato. And how much do they charge for French fries? Any establishment, not just McDonald's, I'm talking Burger King or any of these little stands, they charge you at least $2 or something, if not $4, for an order, excuse me, of French fries. You know, here at our little family, we all know that we don't have that type of money to spend because we have to be frugal. We are not rich people in the little Uncle Chris family here. Okay. Now, I got these chopped pretty much the way I want. Now that I do have them chopped the way I want, I'm going to put them in this paper towel and dry out the moisture. Getting the moisture out the French fries is how you get them crispy. You don't want wet French fries going in there. You want them a little drier. Okay? I'm going to put them in these paper towels. Let the moisture get drawn out while the meat's doing its thing. Now, we're going to make my version of Big Mac sauce. Take you a bowl. Not just any bowl. No, just kidding. Take you a bowl. Take equal parts of ketchup. Come on, out of there. Really? Okay. I told him not to have beans earlier. Equal parts of ketchup, mustard, a spoonful of mayo, and some relish, as much as you like, okay? Yes. I'm trying to see how much time I got left. Mix it up. Now, I want a little more ketchup because I want that pink color. You know, when it's that pink color, there we go. It's right. Oh no. I'm going to show you in just a second. All right. You see that color? Put your little on your finger. Big Mac sauce. I want some more relish. In fact, I want a little more ketchup. So don't use too much mustard. Okay. Yep. That's it. All right. Now, we have all the makings of our burger. Let's cook it over on the stove and fry our French fries and see what we get, okay? Come on with me. All right, over at the stove, we will now take our French fries that have been totally dried of excess moisture, put a French fry in there to test it to make sure the oil's hot enough. And you see how it's boiling like that? That's right, it's frying. Put the rest of them in there. Just don't throw them in there. You always want to be careful with hot oil, okay, nieces and nephews? Because it will splatter you, okay? All right, I'm going to keep this handy for the grease. Now, I'm going to take a hamburger patty and make one, okay? So push it around just like that. I got my trusty wrought iron skillet here. Cast iron skillet, wrought iron skillet. Lord, you'd swear I've been nipping again in the liquor, in the wine. I'm gonna make it about the same size as a 1/4 pounder, okay? And I'm also gonna use not just a regular bun. I'm gonna use an onion bun, okay? We're gonna get that to sizzle in just a minute. Because if you want your burger rare, have your fire higher so that it seals the outside, and you cook it just for a couple minutes so it'll cook that inside just enough so it still stays pink. If you want it well done, you still sear the outside, but then you turn your fire down and you cover it so the inside cooks thoroughly but stays juicy, okay? I showed you how to do that before. All right. I'm gonna wash my hands right quick. Move your burger around because you want to get that other side firm and sealed, okay? All right, now I'm gonna flip this burger over. There. Now that's how it should look at first. We're going to slowly brown this on each side and cook it through, because I want mine about medium. All right, I'm going to cook this burger up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, now I'm going to add my cheese, because I like my cheese melted. And throw a top on top and cut the fire. Let's see how these are doing. Oh, quite lovely, quite lovely. All right. As soon as this cheese is melted, these will be ready to come out. That cheese is basically done. So at this point, at the last point, the last minute, I'm gonna put my wonderful onion roll in here with it. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Yeah, yep. Woo. All right. Let's get these fries and dress this burger. We're gonna pull these fries right up out of here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Put this over top to not only get rid of the grease, but to keep them warm. Okay, we have a burger that is wonderful. Let's dress it up. I've got some tomatoes. Oh yeah, I like tomatoes. Oh, well, I'll say something. I like onions. Won't be kissing nobody this evening. I got me some pickles. And I'm gonna put on my mac sauce as much as I want. I don't have to worry about them forgetting to put the extra on or screwing up my order, saying we'll be making that in just a few minutes while the rest of your food gets cold. And move my burger over. Put me some fries on the side. Well, yeah. Ta-da. Now I know you're saying, Uncle Chris, but what about the shake? All right. I got a couple frozen strawberries from the food pantry, as you know. Put it in my blender. I put my strawberries in my blender. And I got some blueberries. I'm gonna put them in my blender too. And I'm making enough shake here for 2 people. Okay? Drop some of my blueberries, but that's okay. And I've got a 1/2 cup of sugar. You can use honey, whatever you like. Remember now, I'm doing this for 2 people. Then the rest I'm gonna fill with milk, enough to cover the whole thing, all right? Grab my top, seal it up, and blend away. All right. Grab you a stylish container of your choice. Fill it on up. Talk about a Grimmis Shake. I got you, Grimmis. I got you. How about that? McDonald's is served, and for pennies on the dollar. Now, I want you, nieces and nephews, to write in and tell me what fast food places you want me to emulate. Can I do White Castles? Yes, I can. Can I do Kentucky Fried Chicken? Most certainly. Now you know I can do some Southern Fried Chicken. Can I do pizza places? Better than they can. All right. I want you to comment, like, and subscribe, and give me a special thanks if you want to. Help support the channel. I'm going to be giving some giveaways because I got a surprise for you all. And I got Mr. Dean on the scene coming. And remember, check out City Girls channel. Also, Mama Bird. Ooh. And Belinda's Country Living. You have to check that out. I want to make sure I have that right, but I'll put links down below. And if you want my mac sauce recipe, I'm going to put it in the description, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. I'm about to chow down. Bye-bye. Oh, my shake.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?